Okay, here we have 5 Armstrong Air central air conditioning units at a church in my town that I have never filmed at before. And these are actually the first Armstrong Air units I've ever seen in person, so this is actually pretty cool for me to see. But yeah, here's the first unit. This is a 2016 5-ton unit. And I'm guessing these are all straight cool units. Yeah, there's no reversing valve inside, so that means that it's a straight cool. And then here we have 4 other units. Guessing most of these are the same thing. 2016 5-ton, yeah. And I guess these have Copeland scroll compressors. They got blankets on them. Yeah, 2016 5-ton. (2016 5-ton). And here's the last unit. (2016 5-ton), yeah. Nice tops on them. And these are 14 SEER. Interlink motor. But yeah, just thought I'd get a quick video of these 5 units. Anyways, thanks for watching.